Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to open a brand new notebook that I just got in the mail. Now, if you saw my video, I think I did it last year, where I had ordered it was a clear traveler's notebook and the quality of it was just not good. As a matter of fact, it was just downright terrible. I hate to say. But what I will do is I will link that video in a card somewhere here on this video in case you haven't seen it, because that video takes us to where we are now with this package. So PaperBoundCreations, the woman who owns this shop, saw that video and she said, you know, I'd love to send you one of my notebooks because I saw the clear traveler's notebook cover that you ordered a while ago and how disappointed you were, and I would really like to show you one of my notebooks. And I said, oh my gosh, I would be thrilled because I'm still really into the clear traveler's notebook. I'm still into the clear covers. I'm into holographic stuff, as you guys know. So she said, you know, can I send you one and you can check it out? So I said, absolutely. So that's where we are today. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and share it with all of you. I have not seen it. She just asked me, you know, what colors I like. I told her I like holo. And I think she just kind of, you know, went with that because I did not tell her anything specific. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now the shop is called PaperBoundCreations. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry about that, friends. The shop is called PaperBoundCreations, and I will have a link down below in case you are interested. So let's see what we have. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, she sent two. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous this is. You guys. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and start. I'll start with the clear one. I'm not sure what size this is. I'm guessing it's maybe it's a B6. I'm not sure. Now you can see it's obviously like a shaker style. Wow, you guys, this is so cute. So obviously it's the holographic, oops, sorry about the glare. It's a holographic clear vinyl, and then it's got sequins that look like they're gold. I want to say maybe blue, teal, something like that. And then there's a pocket, I think. Yes, there's a pocket right here in the front. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 elastics. And then there's also a pocket here in the back. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is beautiful. And then it has gold elastic. Wow. And obviously the stitching is much nicer than the other the other notebook I showed in that video, if you saw that one. So cute. Now, wouldn't this be lovely for a winter setup? Oh my gosh, I love that. Now let's take a look at this one. This one is a holographic vinyl as well. And it looks like she threw in, oh my gosh, she threw in a cute little bow. This is gorgeous. Now, You can see this one has a holographic sequins as well, and it has a beautiful little bow charm that she made. Oh, I really love that. And then it's got silver, and I'm trying not to get the glare. And then this one has the same pockets here in the front and in the back. And then you have, again, 4 elastics. Now this would make a gorgeous winter setup as well. It has a smell like a vinyl plastic. So I'm going to see if, so these are just some B6 inserts I have lying around. Yes, so it is a B6 size. And I'm going to see how it, oh, nice. Let me see. I think I have a couple more. Okay, so like I said, I'll have all the information down below in case you're interested in placing an order. Like I said, these would be really fun for winter, but I mean, really, you can use them anytime. Well, these inserts might be a little bit too thick. Well, maybe not. You know, depending on what size inserts you use and how you like to chunk it up. Look at how cute, you guys. Okay, so that's that with 4 inserts inside. And I love this little bow charm. I think that's adorable. Wow. Well, thank you so much. Like I said, I'm going to have all the shop info down below. These are definitely 1,000% better than the ones I showed in my earlier video. The quality is amazing. The colors. Now, I think you can, she does custom work, so you can tell her, what colors you like and what size notebook you want. And look how cute. These are so fun. I think I'm definitely going to do a holiday setup in these notebooks. But I think I'm going to have to find some inserts that are not as thick because this goes right up to the edge. So I'll definitely work on that. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. And I think that's going to be it for now. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.